Okay, everybody, welcome. Today we're going to be doing the verse Proverbs 9:10. So it says, "The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, and the knowledge of the holy is understanding." So we can't be wise on our own. You just can't. You can't be wise on our own. That basically says this. This basically says that wisdom comes from God. Fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. So, fear, I just take that to mean like, not being afraid, but like respect for God. Just acknowledging that He's there, I guess, and respecting God, and knowing that wisdom comes from Him. That's how you get wisdom. And who doesn't want to have wisdom? I mean, I like to have wisdom. I mean, it's something everybody should want to have. Because, you make better decisions if you're wise, and stuff like that. And then it goes on to say, the knowledge of the holy is understanding. So I guess it sort of repeats it. It just understand. So if you know about God, if you're knowledgeable about God, I guess, He will, or that is understanding. So, basically the same thing, I believe. I'm sorry if I don't interpret all of this exactly right, but, I just take this to basically mean, if you respect the Lord and acknowledge that He's there, He will give you wisdom. And there's a great story about, I believe it was King Saul, I believe, and he asked God for something. He asked God for wisdom. He didn't ask Him for other things, just asked Him for wisdom, and he Saul or Solomon, forgetting, but anyway, he asked God for wisdom, and he became like the wisest person ever. So it's just a kind of a neat story about God will give you wisdom if you ask for it, and I've asked God for wisdom. Because, like I said, I mean, everyone should want to have wisdom. So, yeah, I would encourage everybody to just do what this verse says here, and hopefully you will gain some wisdom through it. So, yeah, hopefully hopefully you learned something from that, or were encouraged, and yeah, so I think that's all I have for you today. I am going to go watch the Seahawks now, so I'll see you next time.